Good evening, this is Nazmul Ahad and I'm here for the video reflection assignment of the MGMT 5050 course. Here I'll be describing three distinct moments I have experienced throughout my journey of this course. So the first one is discomfort. I won't describe it as actual discomfort, but it was challenging for me to accept that in many instances in the past, my decision lacked rationality because of the cognitive biases I had. So it was kind of self-reflection, or it was identifying a blind spot in myself that I realized throughout my journey in the week 3. In the same week, we were taught about different models that can actually help us to get rid of this kind of biases, like the 7-step ethical decision making model or the Bloom's model. So I am looking forward in future. Well, I will be applying these models so that I am least likely exposed to the cognitive biases and make more rational decisions. Well, the second one, this is the moment of clarity. I referred it to week 1 and week 5 when we were taught about the values and the ethical frameworks. So we all have values that are rooted from our families or cultures or institution or many other things. And our values actually guide us to different direction of and different actions. So what happens when we have conflicting values? Then which way should we choose? There are good versus good and right versus right, and we don't know which one is more good or more correct. So in such situation, there are the ethical framework models like consequentialism or utilitarianism. There are deontology, there are care ethics and virtue ethics, which can actually help us, which can actually guide us to resolve our ethical dilemmas. And I think that was a moment of clarity for me, that I could understand. That was comforting to know that if we face the conflicting value situation, how can we make the most ethical choices or more right or better decisions? Well, now the moment of purpose. So we all want to live in a flourishing society when our business can come for good or advancement. So in week 2 and week 4, when we were taught about the sustainability and the stakeholder theory and CSR, there were concepts that business doesn't operate in isolation. It should operate in a complex system when the decision of business can impact so many stakeholders at the same time. So from the stakeholder theory, my takeaway is as a human being, we also make decisions which can impact the people around me, and there is a complex system and the interconnectedness and interdependence of the system. So every time we are making a decision, we are impacting the system. So are we making the good difference, or our decisions, because of our decisions, are we making a good impact to the people around me or not? So I think that was the moment of purpose for me, that what kind of human being I want to be and what kind of organization I want to be in. So I think that was the moment of purpose for me, that I want to be the person, or I want to be in the organization that can come in the greater good for the society, for the planet, and for the prosperity, partnership and peace of this earth. Thank you.